friends, it's Angela again here with another video, although this is a very late video, I guess. Yeah, it's been a while. I don't know, I've just been busy, I guess. Pretty much too lazy to make a video. But anyways, I'm back and I'm here to show you guys a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. So honestly, I never really know exactly what I'm gonna do when I film a video, so we'll just see where it goes. So as you can see, I've already done my foundation and my eyebrows. I just thought it'd make the video shorter. You guys don't need to see me do my foundation and eyebrows every time because it's gonna be the same every time. So I'm just gonna go straight to blush. Okay, so for my blush, I'm going to be using the NYX Electro color that I used also for my eyebrows. I use this kind of religiously. You can see I've already hit the pan on it. It's a really good color for anything, honestly. I've used it for eyeshadow, eyebrows, and for blush. And now I'm gonna blend it out so I don't look like a clown. You guys think that's enough blush? So next is eyeshadow, and I originally wanted to try to do something where I get hearts on my eyelids, but I really am not confident because I've never done that before. So I think I'm just gonna do a more simple kind of blended eyeshadow with a few different colors that kind of fit the Valentine's Day theme. And then I'm gonna go and use my Milk Makeup heart stamp, like, I don't know, not all over my face, but I'll figure something out as I go along, I guess. Okay, so I'm using the Violet Voss Fruit Sorbet palette, and I'm gonna start with the red right here. Alright, and then I'm just gonna use this purple here. And then I'm gonna use the pink that's in between them. And then I'm gonna use that same pink for the under the eyeshadow. For a final touch, I'm gonna use my Too Faced palette, and I'm gonna get the Reality Star and put that over top, just using my finger. Tell me what you think, tell me what you. And now I'm just gonna do the same thing to the other eye. Alright, so now I have both eyes done for eyeshadow, and now I'm gonna go in and do eyeliner, and I'm gonna use the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. Next, I'm gonna do my highlight, and I'm going to use the Kat Von D Alchemist palette in pink. Next, I'm just gonna curl my lashes, and I'm gonna go in with the same mascara I always use. Okay, now that I have that done, I'm going to find a lipstick to put on. I have not decided yet, so just 1 second. So I'm gonna go with one of my favorites, which is the NYX Liquid Slade in whatever this purple color is. I think it says Sway / Emprise. Okay, and last but not least, I'm going to use the Milk Makeup heart stamp, which I very much recommend. I love Milk Makeup's tattoo stamps. They are super cute and they make any makeup look just like that much better. I kind of want to put them in the corner of my eyes, so let's see how that looks. But I also want to put some on my cheeks too, so maybe I will be putting these everywhere, I don't know. Oh man, I always end up getting a little tiny line there, and there's nothing you can do about that except for cry, because it doesn't come off. I'm gonna try to fix it with a Q-tip, so I'll be right back. I always like to go in and like fix the little, if there's any spaces in between the hearts, because it doesn't always cover everything. And what I use to fix it is the same eyeliner I used. So yeah, I am done. This is my finished look. I feel like it's kind of Valentine's Day-esque. Yeah. If there's any kind of looks that you guys want me to do, just let me know in the comments or whatever. I do have an idea for another video I'm going to be doing soon. I really like this clothing brand called Lazio. I don't know if you guys have heard of them, but they have really nice clothes, and I have been trying to build a collection of their clothes, so I'm gonna make a video where I just show you guys all of the Lazio items that I have, and just kind of, I don't know, show them off to you guys, wear them, and just give you a look-see, you know? Anyways, that's all for my video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, whatever you want to do. Bye!